Out of 10 patients with diabetes, 7 to 8 are at risk of developing diabetes related nerve damage called as diabetic neuropathy. The longer the duration of diabetes, there is higher chance of developing diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy can present with varied symptoms ranging from numbness or tingling in hands or feet, burning sensation in hands or feet, imbalance while walking, sudden onset darkness before eyes on getting up, and like that. Diabetic neuropathies can be classified into 4 types. First one is classical distal sensorimotor diabetic peripheral neuropathy, in which a glow and stalking like change in sensation or loss of sensation happens. The second type is diabetic lumbosacral plexopathy, in which there is asymmetrical involvement of one limb, either upper or lower limb, in which you get pain and change in sensation called paresthesia or painful sensations, followed by wasting in the muscles and loss of weight. This is a probably immunological damage related to diabetes. The third type of neuropathy is autonomic neuropathy, in which one may observe sudden changes in the blood pressure and heart rate or sudden onset sweating related to diabetes related damage to the autonomic nervous system. And fourth type of neuropathy is like isolated involvement of single nerve like ulnar nerve or median nerve or sciatic nerve, like that. So these are different types of diabetic neuropathies. There is one particular neurophysiological test called as nerve conduction study, which can help in diagnosing diabetic neuropathy as well as finding out the extent of the disease. The treatment for diabetic neuropathy primarily focuses on good diabetic control and symptomatic treatment for the pain and paresthesias which the patient is suffering. Diabetic lumbosacral radiculoplexopathy or diabetic amyotrophy might need immunological therapy for treatment.